Welcome to all. I am Sivasangari. I have completed MA from Sri Parasakti College, Kochalam, PhD from Southern Tiruvangur College in Nagarkoil. At present, working as an associate professor of department in Tamil, Aranena Government Arts College in Tirunelveli. Hereby, I have narrated my achievements during the academic years. I have received gold medal in master degree and also qualified UGC NET in 1997 and SLET 1997. Then 2011 to 2017, I have published the following books: Alakan, Nokal, Neelagan. These are all the poem books. ஊடகங்களில் பெண்களின் நிலை, பெண் ஆளுமையில் இந்திய பண்பாடு, சங்க மக்களின் பால்உறவு சிந்தனைகள், பாரதியின் ஆளுமையில் பெண்கள். These are all the compendium of essay. And also I have organized state, national and international level seminar. ஊடகங்களில் பெண்களின் நிலை, கனித்தமிழ் பேரவை, பொன்னை நதி நாகரிகம், மென்பொருளாக்கமும் ஆளுமை வளர்ச்சியும். These are all the state level seminar. சங்க மக்களின் பால்உறவு சிந்தனைகள், தென்னிந்திய சிறுகதைகளில் பெண்களின் உளப்பிரச்சனைகள், both are international level seminar. பாரதியின் ஆளுமையில் பெண்கள், செம்மொழி இலக்கியங்களில் உணவு, both are national level seminar. Besides, I also completed 2 projects. One from Central Government Fund CICIT, another from State Government Fund TANSCI. At present, I am member of Board of Study in MS University PG Board and question setter chairman in Madurai Kamaraj University. Earlier, I was in member and chairman of the following institution: Board of Study Chairman Sri Parasakti College in Kuchalam, Board of Study member Saint Mary College in Tuticorin, Planning Board member in Anai Teresa University in Kodaikanal, and poem artist All India Radio in Tirunelveli. Thank you.